Good evening, Osceola Middle School families. As proud principal of Osceola Middle School, it's my honor to welcome you to tonight's Back to School event. This evening, I'm excited to present to you the various ways through which our students will engage and excel in academics as well as grow as individuals by modeling the chief way. The OMS guidelines for success consist of being respectful as we encourage our students to treat others with kindness, empathy, and consideration, fostering an environment of mutual respect as we're all part of the OMS family. 2, be responsible as we encourage our students to take ownership of their education by staying organized and always being prepared. Highest student achievement is a non-negotiable here at OMS. In order to help students take ownership in their learning, OMS chiefs are organized. Every OMS student manages a school-wide binder to support all their work and thinking done in each and every class all day. Students have the opportunity to complete their 3 years of Osceola Middle School by earning up to 9 total high school credits, if they choose. We also provide the opportunity for students as early as 6th grade to earn career certifications. This past school year, 584 certifications were earned by OMS students. 3, be an active learner as chiefs are engaged. Osceola Middle School is a place where every student will discover an excitement and passion for learning, whether it be engaging in one of 15 different before or after school clubs, taking part in our school-wide STEAM Academy, participating in one or more of our 6 boys and girls sports teams, or participating in one of our fine arts programs here at OMS. A vital part of our students' success lies with the strong partnerships we build with parents and guardians. We believe that open communication between parents and students is the key for fostering a supportive learning environment. Here at OMS, we continuously host events throughout the year to create a culture of connectedness. We begin the middle school experience for prospective families by offering several different guided tour opportunities, orientations, and family events such as family movie nights, fall and spring festivals, and various other student activities to provide a strong sense of school spirit and pride. Now let's go to each of the grade offices to meet the other valuable pieces of your students' time here at Osceola Middle School.
Hello, Chiefs. I'm Stacy Carroll. I'm the 6th grade secretary.
Hi, I'm Jessica Scott, 6th grade assistant principal.
Hi, I'm Allison McClellan, the 6th grade school counselor.
Put it in. 1, 2, 3, 6th grade rocks!
Hi, I'm Dory McNulty, case manager.
Hi, I'm Krista King. I'm the school social worker.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Knapp, 7th grade school counselor.
I'm Mr. Smith, 7th grade assistant principal.
I'm Ingrid Masse, 7th grade office clerk.
Welcome to Osceola Middle.
Hi there. I'm Kelly Krupp. I'm the 8th grade counselor.
And I'm Heather Miller. I'm the 8th grade assistant principal.
In conclusion, the journey towards student success is not one that is taken alone. It's a collaborative effort involving parents, family members, teachers, and students. By upholding the chief way, principles of being respectful, responsible, and active learners, we create an environment where success and growth are inevitable. Thank you, parents, for entrusting us with your children's education, and thank you, students, for making Osceola Middle School a great school. Thank you, and have a wonderful evening, Chiefs.